how big the solar system is?
Well, it's huge! The planets are very, very far apart. Space is named space for a reason.
There is a lot of space!
Millions of miles of nothingness. When you see a picture of the planets, there's nothing to scale.
That means they haven't represented them properly.
They draw some planets too big and some too small. They do this so you can see them clearly. We're going to show you how big the planets are compared to each other. We start with the sun. If the sun was actually this beach ball, then
These are the 4 inner planets. They are all made of rock. Here's the smallest inner planet, Mercury. It's the size of a pinhead.
next we have Venus and Earth. They're about the same size.
The size of a pea!
About 1 million Earths can fit inside the sun.
The 4th planet from the sun.
And the last of the solid rocks is Mars! Size of a popcorn kernel. In between the inner and outer planets is an asteroid belt. Compared to the planets, asteroids would be specks of dust. The outer planets are also known as the gas giants. They are much bigger than first 4. Saturn would be the size of a golf ball. Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system.
It's the size of a tennis ball.
About 1,000 Jupiters could fit in the real sun. Next we have Uranus and Neptune. They're the size of these buttons. Pluto is no longer considered a planet. It would be the size of a grain of sugar. Here's another look at their sizes. Now that you know how big they are compared to each other, now let's see how far apart they are. Pictures often show them close together, but they are not close at all. Here's the sun. Well, the inner 4 is sort of close. 1 meter from the sun is Mercury.
The hottest planet is Venus. It is 2 meters away. The 3rd rock from our sun is Earth. Big Blue, 3 meters away. 5 meters is the red planet Mars.
This is how close the inner planets are.
Now things really start to get spaced out.
Separating the inner 4 and the outer 4, the asteroid belt. About 10 meters away from our star, the sun. The asteroid belt would look like flecks of dust. 16 meters away is our biggest planet.
Ginormous Jupiter!
The distance between Jupiter and the ringed planet Saturn is the same distance to travel so far. Saturn is 30 meters away. Uranus is next. We're going to travel just as far as we've already traveled. Uranus is 60 minutes from the sun.
Look how spaced out things are.
You can see that there is a lot of space in space. Neptune is 100 meters out. This is how small the sun looks from here.
Finally, Pluto, this little grain of sugar, 125 meters away.
Pluto is now considered a dwarf planet. As you can see, the solar system is spread out. We're part of the Milky Way galaxy.
There are also comets.
Meters!
And space.
Lots and lots of space. The solar system is